Academic. Today we learn how to crack Wi-Fi password. Have Wi-Fi network. So let's just start. Wireless networks are accessible to anyone within the router transmission radius. This makes them vulnerable to attack. Hotspots are available in public places such as airports, restaurants, parks, etc. In this article, we'll introduce you to common techniques used to exploit weakness in wireless network security implementations. We will also look at some of the countermeasures you can put in the place to protect against such attacks. What is wireless network? A wireless network is a network that uses radio wave to link computer and other devices together. The implementation is done at the first layer, that is known as physical layer of the OS network. Basically, OS model I have five model. Here, how to access a wireless network? You need to or wireless network enable such as or laptop, tablet, smartphones, etc. You will be also need to within the transmission radius of wireless network access point. Most of the device, if the wireless network option is turned on, will be provide you with a list of available network. If network is not protected password, then you just have to click unconnect. If the password protected, then you have to put password to get the access in the Wi-Fi network. Network authentication. Since the network is easily accessible to anyone with a network with a wireless network enabled device, most networks are password protected. List some of the most commonly used authentication techniques. WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy, one of the earliest security protocols designed to provide a wireless network with a level of security and privacy comparable with what usually expected of the wired network. It is simple to set up and supported by nearly all wireless hardwares, and its weakness is known to have significant security flaw that make it easy to crack. And another is WAP, Wi-Fi Protected Access, an improvement of WAP providing better security through use of Temporal Key Integrity Protocol (TKIP). It enhanced security compared to WAP, include dynamic key management, and its weakness is WPA has been found to be vulnerable to certain attack. And another is WPA to Wi-Fi Protected Access (II). Further improve security over WPA by requiring use of a stronger encryption protocol. Its stronger security with AES encryption more robust than WPA, and its weakness is it can be vulnerable if good passwords are used. And another WPA3, the latest and standard enhancing security even further with the more robust encryption and key management, and its improved protection against brute force attack, forward secrecy, and individualized encryption, and its weakness not at as widely adopted as the WebP2 compatibility issue with older devices. And we have another 802.1x, a network access control protocol used for providing authentication mechanism to device wishing to attach to a network, and it provides strong authentication by integrating with existing identification infrastructures. And its message can be complex to set up and manage. Another is pre-shared key (PSK), a method of securing your network by sharing a key among all users. And it is easy to implement and manage for a small network. But its weakness is if the key is compromised, the entire network will be under risk. Enterprise market WPA, WPA2, WPA3. It includes authentication server, such as Radius, to provide each user with unique credentials. It provides strong security with individualized user credential, ideal for longer organizations. And its weakness is required to more setup and management compared to PSK. MAC filtering. MAC address filtering restricts network access based on the physical MAC address of the device. It adds a layer of security by allowing one specific device to connect. But its weakness is easy to spoof MAC address, not a standalone security measure. Another is captive force. It requires user to authenticate through a web page before granting network access, and it is useful for public and guest network, easy to implement, but it can be bypassed. My savvy user doesn't encrypt wireless traffic. And another topic is how to crack Wi-Fi. You can crack the Wi-Fi network through various methods. Some of are here below. WEP cracking. WEP cracking involves exploiting vulnerabilities in wireless network that uses WEP wide equivalent privacy for security. There are two main types of WEP cracking. First is passive cracking and second is active cracking. Passive cracking, this is method doesn't interfere with the network traffic until the WEP encryption is cracked. It involves silently capturing data packet to analyze and eventually break an encryption. It is difficult to detect because it doesn't affect network performance. Active cracking. This method actively interacts with the network, generating additional traffic to expedite the cracking process, and it involves sending packet to simulate response from the network. And it is easier to detect due to the increased network load and abnormal traffic pattern, and it is effectiveness generally more effective and faster compared to the passive cracking. So how to have by using WAP cracking tools, Wi-Fi cracking tool, air crack NG, network sniffer and WEP cracker that help in breaking WEP and WPA PSK keys. You can download from its official website, Air Crack NG. And another is WEP Crack, an open source program for breaking 802.211 WEP secret keys using the FCMS attack method. You can also download it from various sources. Kismet, a tool for detecting wireless network, including both visible and hidden ones, sniffing packet and detecting institution. You can get it from its official website, and there are various sources available. Web Decrypt. It is utilizes Active Directory attack to crack WEP key, fetching its own key generator and packet filter. Cracking wireless network WEP WPA keys. Cracking the WPA keys to gain access to wireless network is possible but require a specific software, hardware resources and patience. The success of the Wi-Fi transfer tracking attack can the most basic information that help you to get started. Backtrack. Backtrack is a Linux-based security operating system built in top of Ubuntu. It comes with an obvious security tool designed for information gathering, vulnerability assessment, and exploitations. Some popular tools included the Backtrack app, Metasploit, Wireshark, Aircrack Engine, and Web of Crack. And the final topic is how to secure Wi-Fi links. In minimizing wireless network attack, an organization can adopt the following policies: changing default password that can come with hardware, enabling authentication mechanism, access the network can be restricted by allowing only registered MAC addresses, use a strong WEP and WPSK keys or combination of symbol, number, and a character, reduce chance of keys being cracking using dictionary and brute force attack. Various firewall software can be helpful to reduce unauthorized